as you can see by all the brush around here, the leaves, it was branches, quite a windstorm. And what I thought I would do is show you a couple of the trees, big trees that went down. There's one right there. Look at the size of that tree. That goes all the way from over there, all the way here. Big crash. That's a new one. And right across the trail, of course. Look at that baby. Woo-wee. So, yeah. This is in the last couple of weeks, and this is March 21st, 2026. You can see how the branches, the leaves around. There's another big one down here I was going to show you too. And they don't let you pause this GoPro. Or maybe they do, but I haven't figured it out yet. Oh man, technology, it's tough. Okay, so look at that. Look at all those trees.
Morning.
Morning. All new fallen trees. Big ones. And then this one, we have to go under. But not bad, not too far. You just have to dip down a little bit. And then I think there's only one more big one. Yeah, this one down here. But see all those branches? Man, it must have been blowing. Must have been blowing hard. Okay, so here are the last of them that I remember coming up this morning. Looks like they worked on a couple of them a little bit, but so those might have been a couple of weeks earlier. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, here's the one I was thinking about. Not this, but the new, that's another one of the new ones. Huge tree right down there. Just fell last couple of weeks. Look at the roots. Look how long that is.